In this video, I'm going to get you started with building your modules. So in order to build modules, we have to be in the modules section. And you'll notice a big bright yellow button in the upper right-hand corner that says plus module. This will add a new module for you when you click it. So when you add a module, it's going to ask you for a name, and then you can add the module. You'll notice if you scroll to the bottom of your page that new modules are automatically added to the bottom. I tend to be pretty lazy when I add new modules, and I just build in that order because remember, I have that current module button on my Canvas homepage that will just link students exactly to the module that I want them to be in. But I'll show you how to reorganize your modules if that's something you're interested in. Before we even move any further, remember we don't want just unit numbers on our modules. We want some kind of descriptive title. So to edit a module after you've created it, you'll use the three-dot menu, click on it, and I'm just going to choose Edit. Now I'm going to rename my module and I'm going to call it Selecting Evidence to Motivate an Audience and Update. You'll see that change automatically reflected. Now let's say I did want to move this module. Again, I can go to the three-dot menu. You'll notice there's lots of options here. Move the module is one of them. You can delete a module if you don't need it. You can duplicate a module. So we'll kind of go through some of those options a bit later. What we want to do here now is move the module. So let's say I want to reorder them. I can choose, so if I choose at the top, it'll bring it automatically to the top. If I want to put it before a different module, then here I'll get a drop-down listing of all the modules I've created, and I can move it somewhere. And when I'm ready, just press move. When I do that, now my module has automatically been reshuffled where I chose. The final thing I have to do in order to make a module active for students is to make sure that it's published. So any module that's got this little circle with a strike through that's grayed out is not visible to your students. You have to manually go in and click on that icon. And now when you see the green check mark, it will be published. If I've published it too early and I want to unpublish it, all I have to do is click that check mark again, and then I can choose to publish it whenever I'm ready. If you have any questions, please let me know.